Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel SRH VAC. In today's video, we are going to see the second part of VRV system design. We have already seen up to the piping length limitation. Then we have seen how we can modify the pipe length from 40 meter to 90 meter. What are these limitations? Lastly, we have seen up to the connectivity ratio, color connection ratio, and the diversity factor of the different unit in the VRVX systems. Now we will see the VRV indoor unit capacity index. Okay, this is the very important. So for 0.8 HP, this is the minimum 120 capacity index for any unit. It may be cassette, it may be ductable, it may be high wall. All the capacity index for Daikin indoor unit will be same. Okay, just for 0.8 HP it will be 20. Means 20 means it will be around 6.6 TR. The 1 HP will be 25 means 0.8 TR. 1.25 HP means 31.25. This is 1 TR. You know already how to find the TR. Okay, if you want to find the HP, just divide by the index value. Suppose you are taking 1 HP, index value is 25. Just divide by CI divided by 25. Suppose it is 100. So 100 divided by 25 it will be 4. Then you want to find the TR, just multiply by 0.8 into HP. Okay, this one. So you will get the TR value. Okay, as you know the 1 TR is kilowatt. Okay, and HP equal to 0.8 as a nominal value. Okay, these are the various HP and capacity index that are available with the Daikin indoor unit. It may be 2 HP, 50 means 1.5 TR, 2.5 HP means 62, this is 2 TR, 3.2 means 80, it is 2.56 TR, 4 is 100 means this is 3.3. Okay, 5, 125, 6, 140, this is 200, 6.4 TR. If you divide by 25 and multiply 0.8, you will get the TR. Hope you are clear about the capacity index for the indoor unit for Daikin VRV system. Next we will see a capacity index for the 4-way cassette unit. Okay, this is the FXZQ. This is the code for 2x2 unit. The capacity index is 20. The nominal value will be 0.8. Okay, and the TR will be 0.63. FXQ. Okay, this is the 3x3. Okay, this is 25. The nominal value is 1 and the TR value is 8. Okay, the Z key is not available in 0.6 TR. Okay, FXQ it is 31 means 1 TR. It is 40, 1.3. If it is 50, it is 1.62. You can see this up to this. There are one more cassette unit which is 140. The capacity index it will be 4.5 TR. You can see all the kilowatt value as well as nominal HP. This is the capacity index and this is the TR value for 4-way cassette unit. Now we will see the catalog for Daikin. We have completed up to this one. Connection ratio. Okay, this one we have seen the outdoor unit, what are the in HPs available. Now we will see in the indoor, what are the different type of indoor available in VRVX. Okay, so friend, you can see the variety of VRV indoor units available in one system, open the style and quiet indoor units. Okay, these are the VRV indoor unit types. Okay, the first one is ceiling mounted cassette round one. Okay, the code is FXQ ARD16 and it is what is written capacity range. Okay, it is given in HP and the capacity index is 2025. Just we have seen earlier. TR is not given. You have to just divide by this capacity by 25 and multiply 0.8. You will get the TR. So you can see this is 25. 0.6 is not available. From 0.8 it is available. 0.8, 1, 1.3, 1.6, 2. Okay, then 2.6, then 3.3, then about 4 and 4.5. This is the 6 HP. You can see the HP also given, capacity also given. This is the range of the round flow cassette unit. This is 3x3. These are the capacity for the cassette unit and the specs we will see next. All the specs we will see one by one. These are the capacity for 2x2. You can see this is 0.6 available, 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.3 and 1.6 up to, you can see this 2x2 unit. This is a small one, this is big. Okay, this is 950 by 950, this is 650 by 650. The next one is FXCQ AVM. You can see this is 2x2-way cassette unit. Okay, this is available from 0.8 to 4. You can see this is the 125 means 4. This is the one-way cassette FXEQ. It is available from 0.2 to 2 TR. Okay, this is the ductable FXDQ. This is low capacity. Okay, this is the FXDQ. This is also ductable. Okay, this is available from 40 to 62. This is FX and Q. Okay, this one we are using mostly. Okay, you can find from 0.6 to 4.5. This is the ductable. This is the mid static one. This is the high static one. Okay, you can see to 10 HP. Okay, 10 HP means our 8 TR, 6.4 to 8 TR. Okay, this is FXQ and VE. This is high static ductable. Okay, these are the various. We are mostly using this one. Also, FXAQ, AVE. This is our high wall unit. 0.6, 0.8, 1. Okay, 1.3 up to 2 TR. And the next one is our floor standing one. Okay, this is 3 category. It is coming. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So it is coming in 1 TR. Okay, this is in 1 TR, and this is 2 and 2, 2.6. Okay, and the next one is floor standing. It is coming in 1, 1.5, and 2 TR. Okay, and the next one is floor standing ductable unit FXVQ NY. Okay, this is the high capacity ductable unit. You can find up to 20 HP, means it will be 16 TR. Okay, you can see 20 HP, 20 HP, 16 HP, 10 HP, 8 HP. Okay, you can find this. This is our floor standing unit. The next one is clean room air condition. These are the FXEQ PVE. You can find it the 1.6 HP, 2 HP, 2.5. These are all the indoor units that you can find in the Daikin VRV X system. Okay, these are the capacity range. This is the capacity index of different indoor units. Okay, this is the very important. From here we do the selection for our system design. Okay, then next we will see different specs for indoor units. Okay, we will start from the cassette unit. Okay friend, you can see this one, the specs for our first one. So friend, you can see this is the VRV indoor unit cassette round flow. Okay, there is option for our sensing also. Okay, you can see ceiling mounted cassette round flow. Okay, the first one is 25 FXQ. This is 3 by 3 means 950 by 950 mm. Okay, the first one is FXQ 25 ARV 610. So this is the BTU is 960. The kilowatt is 2.8. If you divide by 3.15, it will come your DR. Okay, if you divide by 12,000, it will come the DR. Okay, then it is given the airflow. Okay, in meter cube per minute CFM it is 459. 459 it will be 0.6. Okay, 0.8 TR. This image is 0.8 TR. Is 25. Okay, capacity under. The decimal will be 30. Okay, the next will be our dimension. Dimension is 256, 840, 840. We have to add 50. The final size will be 950 by 950 by 300. Okay, the weight will be around, this one is 5 kg. Okay, this is 90 kg. The pipe we have to, the liquid will be 6.4 and 12.7. This will be quarter and half. Okay, the half pipe will be run up to 1.6 TR, means FXQ 50 ARV 16. From up to this one, the pipe size will be half and quarter. I am saying in inch. This is in mm, 6.4 and 12.7. Okay, these are the specification for our indoor unit for Daikin VRV system in round flow cassette unit. Okay, then these are all. This we have seen already. There are option for our panel, decorative panel. You can see the different capacity index. This is our capacity index. These are our capacity index. You can see these are all our capacity index. This is 32. Okay, this is 40. This is 50. This is 63. This is 80. 80 means 2.6. 2.6 TR. TR means ton of refrigeration. Okay. 0.8. This is 3.3. This is 4 TR. Okay. This is 4 TR. Okay. This is 140 means 4.5 TR. If you divide this by 12,000, you will get the TR because this is the BTU and this is the kilowatt. 3.51 if you divide, you will get the TR value. This is all the airflow. The CFM will be 1218. Okay, CFM. Okay, the maximum. This is the size of the machine and this is the panel size. These are all the important specs for our cassette unit. You have to see these things before designing. Okay, this is 9.5 and 15.1, 3 by 8, 5 by 8. Okay, from 2 TR to 1.4, 4.5 unit. It will be 9.5 and 15.9. These are the important specs for our Daikin VRV cassette unit. Friend, we have seen the 3 by 3 unit. Now we will see the 2 by 2 unit. This is small one. Okay, ceiling round compact AC. Okay, this is 2 by 2, 650 by 650. Okay, the code is FXZQ. You can see this is 20 means 0.6. This is 0.8. This is 1 and 1.3. I can see the BTU is 7500. Kilowatt is 2.2. And the piping use is half and quarter, 6.4 and 9.5. Okay, hope you understand the compact AC as well as the our round flow cassette unit 3 by 3. Okay, the next one we will see the ceiling mounted cassette unit. This is with a double flow, means two side. The flow will be done two side. We can see the specs here. Okay, the first one will be 25 FXCQ 25 AVM. Okay, the BTU is 960. If you divide by 12,000, it will come the TR. Okay, and 2.8. If you divide by 3.51, it will come the TR. The flow is 11.7. It is meter cube per minute. CFM is 406. Means this 0.8 TR will give 406 CFM. And rest there we have to see the dimension, weight, pipe. We have already discussed. Okay, friends. These are the different unit for our two-way cassette unit. Okay, it is come to 125 AVM. Okay, the next will be our slim ceiling duct type. Okay, 600 mm width. This is our low capacity. Okay, the FXDQ model is our low capacity. Mostly we are not using much because there is a low airflow. You can see the airflow will be 282 CFM only. We will see the high capacity, mid capacity as well as our high capacity. The code is FXDQ20ED6. Okay, this is the BTU. This is the our kilowatt. Okay, and this is the meter cube hours and the CFM. This is the decimal 33. The dimension is 200 by 700 by 620. Means it is very compact and small. So as its CFM and its flow. Okay, the piping is 6.4 and 12.7. This is the drain pipe also given. Okay, you can see this is the slim ceiling duct mounted type unit. Okay. The next one will be our, this is the same one. This is the different capacity one up to 2 TR. The capacity is coming up to 2 TR in slim ceiling ducted mounted type unit. Okay, the next we will see the one way. Okay, FXEQ 20 AVM. This is the one way unit. We have seen already, you know, BTU divided by 12,000 kilowatt equal to by 3, you will get the TR. You can find the TR. This is the decimal. This is the CFM value. Okay, and rest you can okay. In the drain pipe, this all are given 6.4, 12.7. The range is already given. These are the specs for one way cassette unit. Okay, we have seen this one already. We are going to FXMQ20. This is the mid static one. Okay, this is the 0.6. This is 0.8, this is 1, this is 1.3 and 1.5. You can see the 750 is the BTU, kilowatt is 2.2. Okay, and you can see the 0.6 TR is how much? 3.8 CFM. Okay, and you can see the dimension is 350, 550 by 700. Next, we are going to see the FXMQ mid static. This is the mid static. Mostly we are using this. This is, you can see 1.3, 1.5, 2 TR, 2.6 and 3.3. Okay, you can see the CFM. This is 1200 CFM. You will get a 1200 CFM here. The size is 300 by 700 by 700. The piping size is 6.4, 12.7, and decimal is, these are all the specs for mid-static ductable unit for Daikin VRV system. Okay, if you have any doubt in this, you can. Okay, this one we have seen already. So friends, the next one will be our Daikin VRV ceiling mounted ductile. This is high static. Okay, FXMQ 170. This is 250, means up to 8 TR. Okay, this is 6.5. 200 is 6.5 TR. This is, you can see the BTU. This is the kilowatt. Okay, and 58 the decimal CFM is 2047. Okay, this means it's 2047 CFM the output is, and the for 8 TR unit it is 2825. 2825 CFM it is giving. Okay, the decimal is 45. This is 49. And the size will be 450, 190 and 1090. Okay, this per big unit. Okay, and the pipe size will be 22 and 9.5. The liquid will be 9.5. For only 8 TR unit it will be 22. Rest of the two will be 19.9. Okay, and the drain pipe also given size is 32. Okay, I hope you clear this one of high static ductable ceiling mounted unit. Okay. The next one is ceiling suspended. This is also one type of unit, FXHQ32. Okay, this is mounted on the ceiling. The next one is, this is high wall. Yeah, that is important. We are using this one also. Mostly this is the code will be FXAQ20 ARV16. Okay, the BTU will be 7500, kilowatt is 2.2, and you can see the CFM is 265 for 0.6. This is the high wall unit. Okay, you can say split unit also, or wall mounted unit you can say. It is come in the range of 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.3, 1.5. Okay, and 2. The maximum is 2 unit, 2 TR. Okay, TR is ton of refrigeration. Rest of the piping is ton half and quarter, 6.4 and 12.6. And the last 2 TR unit will be 9.5 and 15.9. You can see the CFM 671 CFM. You can find the airflow of this high wall unit. Okay, these are the range for high wall for the Daikin VRV X system. Okay, the next we will go to, this is for clean room. Okay, you can say FXBQ, you can see the BTU, the TR. These are all the specs for this. Okay, and this is the floor standing. This is the 0.1, 1.5 and 2 TR. The range comes in this only. You can find this one 24 to, okay, 7.1. If you divide by 5.31, if you divide by this 7.5 divided by 3.51, you will get the peak R. Okay, this is the airflow. The airflow will be 565 CFM. For this 2 TR, the decibel is 40. This is the dimension for the unit. Friends, this is all about the indoor unit of our Daikin VRV system. I think one more ductable will be there. Okay, this is the our floor standing ductable unit for Daikin. Okay, the capacity come from 4 to 20. Okay, 500 means 20 HP. You can see the BTU kilowatts. Okay, and the airflow you can see the CFM 1518. The maximum one will be our 6072 CFM FXVQ 500 NY16. Okay, this is the floor standing ductable unit for Daikin VRV system. Okay, this FXVQ 5. So friend, this is all about the indoor unit for our Daikin VRV system. Okay, we have discussed one by one. We will now see the specs for our outdoor unit. Okay, so I want to reduce this one and see. Okay, this is the outdoor unit. These are the different outdoor units that you can find in Daikin VRV system. Friend, this is the VRVX cooling type unit, outdoor unit. The code will be, model will be RXQ6A RY6. This is the code for this cooling only. If it is heat pump, it will be RXY. The Y will come, it will cooling as well as heating. It will do. This is the model for cooling only. It come from 6 HP to the 20 HP as you know. Okay, up to 20 H is a single one. After 20 it will be combination. Okay, after 42 there will be a recombination. Okay, these are the different. This is not the CI value. This is the HP. Okay, in the indoor unit it will be CI value, and you can see the BTU, kilowatt, and you can see the airflow, okay, the weight of the machine, the decibel, all the things are given. The pipe sizing, the will come 9.5, 19 up to 8 HP. After 10 HP, it will be 22.2 and 9.5. After from 12 to 16, it will be 12.7 and 28.6. This is 28.6. Now after that, you can see from 18 to 20, it will be 15.9 and 28.6. Up to 21. Okay, then it comes combination. As the CI value increase, it will also increase the our piping size. Okay, these are the different outdoor units. Okay, these are all in the combination. We'll see some combination here also. These are the VRV. And these are the combination of 26, 12 plus 14, 28 will be 12 and 16. Okay, for 36 it will be 18 and 18. Okay, 38 it will be 20 and this one. After 42 it will be 3 unit. You have to comply with 3 units because the 20 plus 20, the 40, the maximum will be 40. Okay, and rest are the specs. You can see the BTU, kilowatt, 1+1. You can see the number of compressor. Okay, this is the dimension of our outdoor unit 1657 into 930 into 6765. Okay, you can see all the detail and specs of this is Daikin VRV outdoor units. Okay, the X system. Okay, you can find these are the liquid and gas pipe, and the gas type is also given R410A. Okay, and the charging, refrigerant charging also you can see here, it is given. Okay, this is the refrigerant type and charging also 8.4 plus 8.4. Okay friend, these are the combination of VRV outdoor unit. You can find this one. This is the code for all of cooling only, RFQ. Okay, if it is Y is there, it will be heat plus cooling. Means it will be heat pump. And I want to show you the heat pump code also. Okay, this one okay. You have heat pump. Okay, this is the code for heat. Daikin VRV X heat pump. You can see RX YQ 6 AVR 6. This find Y is there, it will be heating plus cooling. Okay, either it will give heat or it will give cooling. Simultaneously, it will not give cooling in one place and heating in other place. Either it will be doing heating or it will be doing cooling. Okay, these are the specs for this. So friend, now I want to show you the pipe chart and how the procedure to select the pipe. So friend, you can see the piping chart for Daikin VRV system design. Okay, we have to do the piping by following this CI value. It is showing total indoor capacity index. If it is less than 150, the gas pipe will be 15.9 and 9.5. This is I am telling about the header line. Okay, this is the indoor. If it is 0.6, it will be half and quarter, means 6.4 and 12.7. The gas pipe will be 12.7. The liquid will be 6.4. For 2 TR to 4 TR, it will be 15.9 and 9.5. The liquid will be 9.5. For 200, it will be 19.1, 9.5. 250, it will be 22.2 and 9. This is for the designing of our indoor unit. The indoor unit we have seen earlier. Okay, this is the indoor, and this is the for the header line. While adding, you will get this CI value. If you have 3 system 100, it will go to the 300. From if it is CI value is 300, it will come between 290 and 420. The piping size will be 28.6 and 12.7. Okay, we will do some example also so that you can understand properly. From 29 to 420, it is 28.6, 12.7. 420 to 640, it will be 28.6 and 15.9. For 640 to 920, it will be 34.9 and 19.1. Above 920, all the pipe size will be 41.3 and 19.1. Okay, this is all the header line. This is the indoor unit system CI value. Okay, The next we will see the kits and then we will see the example. This is the piping chart. This is the kit, means this is the reference size what we have discussed earlier. Reference up to 200 it will be 22T of or Y joint will. From 200 to 290 it will be 33T. From 290 to 640 it will be 72T. Above 640 it will be 73 plus 73T. Okay. And the branch unit from outdoor what will come, it will, if it is 2 unit it will be 100. Okay, VHFP 22P100. If it is 3 unit it will be VHFP 22P151. These are all the Y joint and the branch kit we have discussed. Okay, so now we see a example. Okay, suppose we have taken this different type of indoor unit, okay, and one outdoor unit, and I have done some piping size also. Okay, this is two-way cassette 1.6 TR. This is ductable unit 1 TR, this is high volt 2 TR, and this is 4-way cassette 4 TR. Okay, and we will start from the last pipe. Okay, this is 6.4 and 12.7, half and quarter. Okay, as we seen earlier, we have seen the piping size. Okay, from 0.6 to 1.5 TR it will be half and quarter. Okay, this is a half and this is a quarter. 6.4 will be liquid line and gas pipe will be 12.7. So I have given this 6.4 and 12.7. One is discharge one is suction. We do not be confused. Okay, so what will be the next unit is ductable unit. This is also 1 TR. Okay, means this is also 12.7 and 6.4. Okay, the discharge will be 6.4 and the suction will be about 12.7. Okay, so I have added this one. This is the Y joint. Okay, there will be a 2 Y joint. One will be our gas and one will be our liquid. So CI value for total for this one will be 81.25. How it came? It will be 50 for this CI value and 31.2 for this one TR. The total will be 81.2. Okay, 25 TR. Okay, and the header line will be, it is 81 CI, so it will be 9.5 and 15.9. From where it came? Okay, I have shown you the header line. Okay, it is below 150. So it will be 15.9 and 9.5. Okay, so I put it this. Okay, the next one machine is 2 TR high volt. The CI value will be 62. So I have added 62.5. Okay, then it will be 143. Is below, then it will be 9.5 and 15.9. The unit will be, our dimension will be 15.9 and 9.5. From where it came? Say for the 2 TR 15.9 and 9.5, you can select from the catalog also. You can see the indoor value. Okay, there will be a pipe size also given. Okay, that we have seen earlier. So friend, up to this one it is clear. Then we have taken the 143, it is 150, so same it will come. The 4 TR it will be 9.5 15.9. Again we will going to see 4 TR means this one 15.9 and 9.5. So 15.9 9.5. So the capacity will be about 125. So the total will be 268. Okay, so this one 268. So 250 divided by 268 means 10 something will become. So I have taken the 10 HP. This is the diversity of 107. Okay, this is the example to show you how the piping is being done. Okay, and the Y joint, how it is calculated. Okay, this is you have seen the indoor unit piping. This is the Y joints. Okay, this is the suction and this is the discharge. Okay, I hope you clear how to select the piping. Okay, in Daikin VRV system. Now friend, I will show you one project we have done so you can understand. This is the one system we have designed. Okay, and there are 3 systems 18, 16 and 8. Okay, so we will start from here. You can see this is MQ. Okay, this is ductable unit. This is 2.6 TR. Okay, so 15.9 and 9.5, and this is 1.5, so 12.7 and 6.4. We have added this one. This is 80, this is 50. You can see this is the 50. Already the value is given here 80. The total will be 130 CI, and we have put the 22T. Okay, because it is less than 200. Okay, after 200 to 290 it will be 33T. This other indoor unit, this is FXM2 ductable 125 the CI value. Okay, so we are going to add 125 in 130, it will come 5 CI value. The value will be of T is 33 T. Okay. The piping will be 15.9 and 9.5 for 4 TR. As you seen earlier, we are going to see for 4 TR, you can see 125, it will be 15.9 and 9.5. Again, we have 1.5 means 50. We have to add 50, it will be 305. Now you can see the 72T have come because it has crossed 290. From where we get this one, we will show you. You can see here 290. After 290 to 640, it will be 72T. I hope you clear about this one. Piping, header, okay, CI value and Y joint value. How to calculate? We just have to calculate one by one. This one is 51. Again, this two-way cassette unit is 50. Okay, then means 1.5 TR. It will be 12.7 and 6.4. So it will be 355, 72T. The value for this piping is 305. From where it came 305? You can see 305. It is coming from 290 to 420, 28.6 and 12.7. I hope you clear this one. This way, we have done the schematic one for this system. The total we have calculated, and this is coming 865. Okay, friends. And this line is our communication cable, that is looping. This is we have done the looping for communication. The wiring we use is 2 for 1 square mm. There are two type of cable we are using for one communication and one is for our power. For this one outdoor unit RXYQ 18 means we are using 10 square mm for cable for power. Okay, this all you can see the looping is been done. So friend, I hope you have understand this one. This is the branch kit we have, because this is 2 unit, this is 1 5. Okay, because we are using 3 outdoor. So just you have to put the indoor unit, then code, then you have to done the piping. You have to add the CI value one by one. You will get the piping size. Okay, you can take the size from our chart. So friend, this is all about our this Daikin VRV system part 2. There are a lot more content coming up on your way. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comments. We will see you in the next one. Bye for now.